Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a awesome day, and I am back at you again with another DIY project. So this one is going to be a low level centerpiece. I'm going to try to do some different ones in another month or two. I'm going to do a donut wall, and I'm also going to try to do something else that is non-floral. Okay, I may just end up doing another wedding sign. I think I'm about due to do another wedding sign and then the donut wall, so we'll see. But anyway, I have this lovely mid-level centerpiece, and it is all mirrored, as you can see. Okay, so we are doing a mirrored centerpiece, and it is, I can't remember if this is a hexagon or octagon, but I'm not going to get caught up in what type of geometric size, geometric shape it is. But these are very large geometric mirrors that I made this centerpiece out of. 4 of them, okay, and it looks exactly the same in the back. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys. You are going to love it. Okay, of course I'm going to have all the supplies as usual, and this is kind of sort of like a floating octagon type centerpiece. It is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. I think this was easy to make. The video tutorial is not going to have any sound. I'm just going to go through the tutorial and just put the whole thing together for you guys. But if you look at it, you can pretty much figure out what I've done. Okay, and this is really affordable because this is just using some oversized mirrors with a rectangle shaped cardboard box. Okay, and some styrofoam and florals and a couple of little brooches I threw on here, and then you have a masterpiece on the cheap. Okay, so I think this is pretty easy. I know I do some complicated centerpieces, so hopefully this will be easy for you guys. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. This is absolutely gorgeous, and it will enhance any table styling. And I haven't done a low level centerpiece in quite a while, so glad to be able to work one in as a DIY. So this is beautiful. I think you guys will be very pleased with it, and I don't feel like this tutorial was hard. Hopefully you were able to follow along. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project. And of course, don't forget to rate. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, rate the video, put your notifications on so you are notified when I upload the next DIY video. Okay, so take care, and I will see you when I do another project. Okay, guys, have an awesome day.